Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be preparing cream of spinach soup. This is an excellent soup to be served during monsoon and windy weather. I've used very less ingredients for this recipe. It's turned out excellent. I serve this soup for lunch. Let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. I've laid out all the ingredients required for the recipe. We have washed and finely chopped the spinach and reserved. We will require milk, a soup cube, finely chopped garlic, and fresh cream. You can add parsley to the soup or you can leave it. I like the smell of parsley in the soup, so I'll be adding parsley. I've heated a pan on medium flame. I'll be adding garlic, spinach, soup cube, and milk to the spinach. I'll dilute this with little bit of water, so I'll add half a cup of water to the soup. At the moment I'm not adding any salt because the soup cube contains a lot of salt in it. I'll just cover this and allow the spinach to cook. All the ingredients with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video. You can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. All recipes are translated and posted on YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be listed in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter friends. All my social media handles will also be listed in the description box below this video. In its time, I checked the spinach, it was cooked. I removed it from the flame and I've added it to a mixer jar. I'll be grinding this into a smooth puree. Just grind all the ingredients and transfer it to a pot. Now I'll be diluting the soup with milk. I'll add the fresh cream. We can add salt and pepper at this point. Check and add salt and pepper. I will add the parsley flakes. Just stir all the ingredients. We need to bring this to a rapid boil. Once all the ingredients boil, the soup is ready. You don't have to prepare any white sauce for this. This recipe is very simple. It is nice and creamy and the soup is very nice and tasty when you eat it with some croutons. So I've stirred all the ingredients, placed it on medium flame, and once the soup boils, the soup is ready. Keep stirring the soup continuously, making sure it does not burn because we have added cream to the soup. It might burn fast. I'll be serving the soup as warm as possible. I've earlier posted a recipe for South Indian version of cream of spinach soup. I'll post the recipe link in the description box below or in the icon above this video. It is similar to this recipe, but we have added mustard seeds and other ingredients to it. I've served this soup as warm as possible. We thoroughly enjoyed it for lunch. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.